Welcome home to Clay Crossing, a McKee Homes community. Building with McKee Homes means a family-friendly neighborhood with plenty of opportunities to personalize your home to really make it your own. Clay Crossing is centrally located, just off Middle Sound Loop, with easy access to everything the area has to offer. It's minutes from downtown, minutes to Wrightsville Beach, and convenient to great parks, shopping, restaurants, and much more.
At Clay Crossing, we offer beautiful single and two-story family homes with many included selections that would be upgrades with other builders. Every home is part of our Smart Move program, which includes smart energy features like programmable thermostats, low E windows, energy-efficient lighting, and improved insulation. We install USB charging stations, Taexx in-wall pest control system, and Apple HomeKit compatible devices for smart living. And to make it a smart investment, we include a 210 home buyer warranty with a 2-year system and 10-year structural protection from the nation's leading home warranty company.
Choose one of 8 floor plans from about 1,900 to about 3,600 square feet. Inside, you'll find stainless steel appliances and granite countertops with tile backsplashes, with options for quartz countertops and glass tile backsplashes. 9-foot ceilings are featured on the first floor, and many plans have flex rooms suitable for office space, parlors, or dens. Most of the homes in Clay Crossing are from our European collection. The blend of architectural stone, siding, and specially styled arches and roof lines give our European collection homes a unique and appealing design. The Wilmington area boasts lots of history, with a battleship North Carolina right there on the Cape Fear River. Downtown Wilmington, with its colonial and Victorian buildings, houses, and neighborhoods, has a vibrant cultural and nightlife scene.
In my opinion, it's a fantastic location because you're just off Market Street, which is miles and miles of restaurants, shopping, and everything you could want. We're close to downtown, and just up the road you've got great beaches like Wrightsville Beach, Surf City, and Topsail Beach. And to the south of us is the famous Carolina Beach with its boardwalks and beach town flavor. There's just so much so close by, it's what I call coastal convenience.
With a great location nestled in the heart of beautiful Wilmington, minutes from everything you want, settle into a home just right for you in Clay Crossing. Great place, great life. McKee Homes.